Welcome back to Math Station. Today's mental workout targets something called information filtering, a crucial skill for keeping our minds agile. We are looking at a unique expression, 9 plus 0 times parentheses 3 minus 6 times 12 plus 1. Before we solve it, let's talk about what our brain naturally does when we see something like this. The moment we see a long math problem, our minds instantly want to dive in and do all the hard work. We probably looked inside those parentheses, saw the multiplication, 6 times 12, and immediately started doing the heavy lifting in our head or on a paper to get 72. Then we tried subtracting that from 3 to get negative 69. It is completely normal for our brain to focus on the hardest part of the puzzle first. But this puzzle has a trick, a hidden 0. A sharp mind will scan ahead, spot that 0, and realize it wipes out the hard math completely. To find the true solution, we follow the order of operations, often remembered as PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. This is our trusted checklist. We look at the acronym to find where our operations sit, and then do the math accordingly. Normally, PEMDAS tells us to start by solving exactly what is inside the parentheses, but this is where we use our cognitive shortcut. Notice the 0 sitting directly outside the parenthesis? In math, that implies multiplication. Because 0 times anything is simply 0, we don't even need to worry about calculating the long, hard math inside the parentheses. That 0 acts like a mathematical eraser. It completely eliminates that entire intimidating block of the equation in one single stroke, saving you valuable time and mental energy. Our complex problem has now collapsed into a very straightforward addition sequence, 9 plus 0 plus 1. Moving from left to right, 9 plus 0 is 9. Plus 1 gives us 10. And there is our correct answer. The solution is 10. How did you do today? Did you spot that sneaky 0 shortcut early on? Or did you end up doing the math the long way? There's no shame in calculating the whole thing, by the way. It just means your brain got a slightly heavier workout today. Either way, working through these puzzles is a fantastic way to keep your mind sharp. I'd love to hear how you did in the comments below. Please like this video, subscribe to Math Station, and have a wonderful rest of your day.